Malaking gulo to. Matapos patrasin ng China ang halos lahat ng Chinese Maritime Militia, inanunsyo na i-deploy ngayon ng PLA Navy ang kanilang mga warships sa West Philippine Sea. Hinahamon talaga tayo ng China. Nanindigan kasi ang Chinese Foreign Ministry na gagawin nila lahat ng hakbang maprotektahan lang ang kanila raw teritoryo, kahit gulo pa ang kapalit. Ibig sabihin, pag may inaresto ang US Navy at Philippine Navy dyan, malaking gyera ang kahantungan nito. Pagbabantayan ni Chinese spokesperson Lin Jian kay General Pompeo at Defense Secretary Gilberto Chodoro. At pag nagkagyera talaga, hindi na raw kasalanan ng China, kundi kasalanan ni PBBM dahil nagpaututo sa Amerika kay President-elect Donald Trump.
You've just mentioned the remarks from the Philippines side, and I would like to point out here that every time a maritime dispute between China and the Philippines escalates, it is caused by an infringement and provocation from the Philippines. The Philippines infringes first, and then China has no choice but to take necessary measures to safeguard its legitimate rights and interests in accordance with the law. If the Philippines no longer infringes and provokes, the maritime situation will not escalate again.
Tinatakot lang tayo ng China, tingin niya ni Defense Secretary Gibo Chodoro. Kung hindi kasi natin papalayasin yung mga Chinese Maritime Militia, o unti-untiin tayo niyang sakupin ng hindi nating namamalayan. Yang mga Chinese Maritime Militia na yan ang palihim na nagtatambak ng kung ano-ano dyan. Hinuhuli pa ang mga isda na dapat Filipino fisherman lang ang nakikinabang. Dito nanindigan si Gibo na ipapatupad ang maritime law at aarestuhin niyang mga Chinese.
What we see is an increasing demand by Beijing for us to concede our sovereign rights in the area because of our need to explore and exploit the resources in these areas for the benefit of our own people. And that is clear. We don't need to enter into a geopolitical nexus for determining the root cause of the problem because we are direct victims of Chinese aggression. In this and in a concentrated area thus far in the West Philippine Sea.
Sinisisi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry ang Trump administration, pero pinalagan din niya ni Gibo. Ang US ay treaty partner ng Pilipinas, so obligado ang Amerika na protektahan kami kung nalalagay kami sa panganib na sitwasyon at wala na raw pakidyan ang China.
Fact that we have an interest both the United States and the Philippines in ensuring that our partnership continue because of shared threats. And that is undoubtedly the overreach and the aggressive and illegal activities of China.
Ang yayabang talaga ng mga Chinese, no? Kahit halata mo na kinakabahan pa rin sila kay Trump. Pero papalag kaya itong mga Chinese sa US? Pag nandyan ang pwersang Amerikano, nagtatakbuhan sila. Ano sa tingin nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salog.